Good morning students. Today we will learn about number series. In number series, we will deal with various problems based on various mathematical operations. There are basically two types of questions asked in examination. Either they are based on finding missing terms, or questions are based on finding wrong terms. Now, in number series, the set of given numbers are related to one another in a particular manner. Let us analyze few of these patterns. In number series, the first pattern of relation is consecutive odd or even numbers.
We can see here that each of these term is a odd number with a common difference of +2. So our next number after 21 will be 23. That is the next odd number of 21. So this is a series of odd numbers. Now let us take one more example. Here we can see that this is a even series, again with a common difference of +2. So our next number will be 230. Now the second pattern of number series is consecutive prime or composite number. Again, let us take an example of this. Here 2, 3, 5,
7, 11. These are prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So the next prime number after 11 is 13. So our answer will be 13. Now the third pattern of the number series is square or cubes of some number. In this, let us take first type, that is without variation. In such type of series, the numbers in number series are directly squares or cubes of a certain numbers or numbers which are in given pattern. For example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You have to find the next. So here this 1 first number is square of 1, 4 it is square of 2, 9 this is square of 3, this is square of 4, 25 which is square of 5. So our next number will be square of 6, that is 36. So our answer will be 36. Now again, in square or cubes of numbers, there is one more pattern which is with variations. This variation can be addition or subtraction of some number from their squares or cubes. Now let us take an example of this. A series is 2, 5, 10, 17 and you have to find the next. Now let us analyze each digit of this series. This 2 can be written as square of 1 plus 1. This 5 can be written as square of 2 plus 1. 10 can be written as square of 3, that is 9 plus 1. Again this 17, this is written as square of 4 plus 1. So our next number should be square of 5 plus 1, that is 25 plus 1 which is 26. Now let us take one more example. Series is 0, 7, 26, 63 and you have to find the next. In this series, this 0 can be written as cube of 1 minus 1. This 7 can be written as cube of 2 minus 1. This 26 can be written as cube of 3 minus 1. 63 can be written as cube of 4 which is 64 minus 1. So our next number should be cube of 5 minus 1, that is 124, because cube of 5 is 125 minus 1, that is 124. Now let us discuss the fourth pattern of this number series, which is sum or product or difference of preceding numbers Let us take an example of this. The series is 3, 4, 10, 33, 136, and you have to find the next. Now when we analyze this series, we find that this 3 and 4 are related as when we multiply this 3 with 1 and add 1 to it, we will get 4. Then this 4 and 10, when we multiply this 4 with 2 and add 2, that is 4 into 2, it is 8 plus 2, 10. Then next, when we multiply 10 with 3 and add 3 to it, we will get 33. Next, when we multiply this 33 with 4 and add 4 to it, we will get 136. So our next number should be when we multiply this 136 with 5 plus 5, that means 680 plus 5. So our answer will be 685. Now our next pattern, that is fifth pattern, is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division by some numbers. Now let us take an example of this. Our series is 3, 6, 18, 72, and you have to find the next. Let us analyze this series. 3 and 6, when we multiply this 3 with 2, we will get 6. 3 into 2, 6. 6 and 18, when we multiply the 6 with 3, we get 18. Then this, when we multiply this 18 with 4, we will get 72, 18 fours are 72. So our next number should be multiple of 72 with 5. That is, our answer is 360. Now our next type is some special series. Let us take an example. Our series is 6, 12, 7, 11, 8, 10, 9, and you have to find the next number. In this series, if you will observe that there is an increase, that is from 6 to 12, then there is a decrease from 12 to 7, again an increase, then a decrease. This type of series is called as difference series. In this series, we will move from first number directly to the third number. Here you can see from 6, when we add 1 to it, we will get 7. Then from 7 again plus 1, we will get 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. Now if we see this 12 and 11, here it is minus 1, then 11 to 10, again minus 1, then our next number should be 10 minus 1, that is 9. Let us take one more example. Series is 0, 5, 22, 57, 116. Then find the next number. In this series, if we will observe here from 0 to 5, there is difference of 5. Then from 5 to 22, there is a difference of 17. Again from 22 to 57, there is a difference of 35. From 57 to 116, the difference is 59. Now from this we are not able to find the next number. So let us analyze the difference of 5 and 17. That is 12. Again from 17 to 35, when we add 18 to it, so we will get 35. From 35 to 59, when we add 24, we will get 59. Now if you see this 12, 18 and 24, we are getting, when we add 6 to 12, we will get 18. Then again when we add 6 to 18, we will get 24. So our next number should be an addition of 6 to 24. So our next addition should be 30, which should be added to 59. When we add 30 to this 59, we will get 89. So our next number is 116 plus 89, that is 205. In this example, what we had done, we had calculated differences of difference, and then by this we were able to solve our series. Okay, now let us take one more example of special kind of series. This is 151, 158, 172, 182, and again next number is missing. You have to find the next number. Let us analyze this series. In this 151 and 158, the difference is of 7. 158 and 172, the difference is of 14. 172 and 182, difference is of 10. Now, how this difference came over here? First, 7. Seven is a resultant when we add the digits of this 151, that is 1 plus 5 plus 1. We will get the result 7. Now add 1, 5 and 8 of 158, that is 1 plus 5 plus 8. We will get 14. Next is when we add 1 plus 7 and 2, we will get 10. So our next number should be 1 plus 8 plus 2, that is 11. 11 added to 182. Our answer is 193.